And water should be leaking out, and it looks like it's not a lot. Let's see. I don't see anything in there. Aha!
Yeah.
What is this big old thing? Ugh. Bang! I was looking for this. All right, listen up. It is your guy, Tracy Walker, reporting live. Thank you for tuning in. I'm gonna make this video 2 minutes or less. If you are getting the SUD, or AKA 5UD error code, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. By the way, I'm trying to reach 10,000 subscribers, so I'll help you guy out, especially if I help you fix your code. And also, since we're gonna fix this problem, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Also, while we're down here, we might as well just pop this puppy off right here. And we're gonna take care of the crud that's inside here. All right, stay tuned. Here we go. Da-na-na. Hey, the code just changed. Oh well, it's still acted funny. Da-na-na. All right, guys, remember to get a towel. Ugh, it smells so bad. Well, guys, you're going to fill up a cup, bucket, butter bowl about 74 times.
What are you doing?
Relax. All right, guys, it's showing signs of slowing.
No. I think it is zoomed out.
All right, guys, so now you're going to get your towel because we're going to get ready to open up this guy under. The Cowboys just got sacked. Putting it back. All right, come on down. Counterclockwise. And water should be leaking out, and it looks like it's not a lot. Let's see. I don't see anything in there. Aha!
Yeah.
What is this big old thing? Ugh. Bang! I was looking for this. This is my mask.
Your fault?
Yeah.
You did this?
Uh-huh.
And that's yours too. That's yours too. Because you need to check your pockets. Wait, do that one more time.
I'm glad that we figured it out. All right, that's going to be a video. Okay. Thank you very much. All right, guys, it's a wrap. Put this thing back. Hello?
Wait, your hair's in my...
There we go. Ugh, I got wet. We should probably wash this out.
Yeah. Just show how. Put it back first. Okay.
Bang. Okay, you can press stop. You good girl?
So you should like jump up on me.
Abomination. You good girl? Love me, baby. I love your eye booger. You baby.
Oh, here she is. Here she is.
Uh-oh.